Forms, surveys, and quizzes help you collect data from your customers. However, when using the custom object and the company object, there was no native way to include this information. With this release, we're bridging that gap, enabling you to capture data natively. Let's check how to use it. Head to the Form, Survey, or Quiz tab and create or edit a build. Click the plus sign icon to add an element and switch to the Add Object Fields option. Open the drop-down menu and select Company or Custom Object. Drag and drop your fields into your build, then select or create the association and click Save. Use this native integration to add fields from custom objects and the company objects, which allow for in-builder editing and submissions that instantly associate and update related records. This release connects your custom objects and company objects directly to your CRM's data collection tools, helping you create complete relationships in one submission. We hope you enjoy it.